Okay, now I'll show you the person who is really well at making these babies in the blanket things. It's food. They're so yummy. Now, the famous cook, my grandma. Now watch how she rolls those little hot dogs in the thing. And she puts them on the pan.
Oh, she's too much, I hear.
After she's done, she puts them in the oven.
My turn.
And that's why it is Piggy in the Blanket.
Okay.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Everybody, now I'm going to make a cooking show. We're going to make pastéis. I'm Michaela. This is my grandma Baba. So I just put my hands in some water, 2 fingers, just 2. Spread them around
Spread them around what? What's this?
the edge.
The dough. Okay, all around. Now we're going to take the cheese and put it where? In the middle. A little more. Okay, and now I have to do this part, okay? Because it's very, very, very delicate. And we're going to have to bring it together and we're going to push the cheese inside.
Yeah.
See that? And then what are we going to do next, Michaela? We're going to take what? Okay, and what are we going to do with it?
We're going to pat down.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, you do. Down, down, down. See this? Lets the cheese stay inside. And we're going to turn it over. There we go. You're doing such a good job. And you remember what are we going to do with these when we finish? How are we going to cook them?
In oil.
We're going to fry them in oil. Very good. And you made your own pastel. And now you can say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody.
Well, that's all for today, everybody. See you.
Go.
Okay, what are we making, Andrew?
I want pastéis.
Pastéis. Okay, what are we going to do? You're going to put your fingers in the water. Okay, push down. Get down. Okay. And you're going to take your fingers and you're going to put them all around to moisten. Let's get a little more water. The dough. Okay. Now we're going to take, whoopsie daisy. We're going to take the cheese and put it in the middle. You want to put a little bit? Okay. And now it's my turn. I'm going to put it together and I'm going to push the cheese in. Are you ready to use the fork? Okay, here we go. Let's see.
It's going to be wonderful.
I know it's going to be wonderful. Here we go. Are you ready? Here, hold it and let's go. Push down, push down, push down. See, Andrew, you're a true Brazilian. Here we go. Push down, down, push down, push down, push down. What a good job. This is going to be a great cheese pastel. When I was a little girl, I used to love to eat these. Okay, what are you going to say now? You say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
All right.